So here we are. This is the entrance to the main dining room on deck 4. There are also dining rooms on deck 3 as well. And at the entrance is the menu. Today it was a taste of the UK. Chef's recommendation for appetizer, goat cheese tart. For the entree, traditional English fish and chips. And for dessert, sticky toffee pudding. So as we make our way this way, this is where you get in line. And normally there's signs if you have reservations already. You get in the sign for guests with reservations, or there's a line if you do not have a reservation. This is a beautiful area. And this is unlike other cruise ships where it's one major dining room that is just over a few decks that overlooks a big chandelier. This is actually like you have one room over here. This is the one we've been dining in. I don't know what words to describe the yeah, it's kind of gothic, I want to say. It's very red and it's very classy. I'm glad we got this room. I think it's just very, very nice. It's just, I don't know what other words to say. Just very elegant, very posh. And then you got the other room over here. This is also really nice, too. Very bright and warm and welcoming. And then look at the entrance to this room. You have a map of the United States and the different highways. Ooh, there's Route 66 on there, too.
I don't think those. So this is what the main dining room looks like.
Now, if we want to go down this way, there are other rooms on the 3rd deck. Again, you're usually assigned a seat in one of the 4 rooms, and that's where you'll spend your night's dining. And I believe you can request, you know, specific seats if you want, but here's another one.
But the meals are the same.
Yeah, the meals are the same, but depending on what room you sit in, they'll have a kind of a different feel, a different look. This one's nice. This one's pretty classy. I think it's, you know, very retro. I don't know why I'm getting like a 50s vibe in here, but pretty cool. And then this one's got a really cool entrance. Look at all the gold.
Yeah.
Look at the nice couch at the entrance. Wow.
The waiting area.
Wowzer. This one's really nice. This one's also like very retro, isn't it?
Yeah. Look at the chairs.
Like, my goodness, I love it. And then you have the windows in the back overlooking the ocean. Wow. There's 4 different rooms, and they all have amazing things. You know, amazing. What do you call it? Feelings.
Oh, look at the bottom of the chair.
Oh wow.
They're actually like.
That is really, really cool. Wow. I've noticed the restaurants all have different names, but they're essentially just the main dining room. So there's the Grande, that's chic. The one upstairs was American Icon restaurant.
And the other one was cheap too, I think.
Yeah. Oh, look at here. A little waiting area. Well, like I said, all 4 dining rooms have their own unique design that I find them to all be equally warm and inviting and very pleasurable to eat in. So, but if you do not have a specific dining time, if you go with my time dining, then you would go check in at deck 4. So deck 3 is most likely if you have a specific time you set for your dinner or any meal. But yeah, that's pretty much it.